If you want to learn how to compose new Yahoo Mail messages in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to start a new email, enter the recipient, write your message, and send it using Yahoo Mail in your Chrome browser. This is a helpful skill whether you're using Yahoo Mail for personal communication, school, or work, and once you know where everything is, it only takes a few seconds to do. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, go to Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once your inbox loads, look for the Compose button, which is usually located in the top left corner of the screen. This is the button you use anytime you want to create a brand new email message. Go ahead and click Compose. A new message window will appear, and this is where you'll build your email from start to finish. At the top of the message window, click in the To field and enter the recipient's email address. Make sure the address is correct before moving on, because that ensures your message goes to the right person. Next, if you want, you can add a subject line. The subject line helps the recipient quickly understand what your email is about. After that, click in the main message area and type your email message. You can write as much or as little as you need, depending on what you're sending. Take a moment to review your message for spelling, grammar, or missing details before sending. If you need to include additional recipients, you can also use CC or BCC if those options are available in your message window. And if you want to attach a file, look for the attachment icon and add your document, photo, or other file before sending. These extra options can be useful if you're sending a file, copying someone on the message, or keeping recipients private. Once everything looks good, move down to the bottom of the message window and click Send. Yahoo Mail will deliver your message right away, and you'll usually see a confirmation that it has been sent successfully. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to compose a new Yahoo Mail message in Chrome from start to finish. It's a simple process once you know where the Compose button is and how to fill in the recipient, subject, and message fields. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.